Hey everyone, present over here. Today I, Krishna Guleria, and one such will be your host and those for today's morning assembly.
We are here to take you to a digital journey through the morning assembly session, but in a new swag. I feel really pleased to announce the theme for today's morning assembly, and the theme is Women Empowerment.
Cool. One such I nailed it, right? Actually, Women's Day is approaching and that's why we have chosen this theme.
Absolutely, it's on 8 March 2021.
जब किसी का भाग्य जागता है तो उसके घर में लड़के का जन्म होता है, और जब किसी के सौभाग्य जागते हैं तो उसके घर में लड़की का जन्म होता है.
Well said, Ashish.
The willingness to listen, the patience to understand, the strength to support, the heart to care, and just to be there.
Now I would like to invite Srinjal and Kritika to brief you about women empowerment.
She is a beautiful piece of broken pottery, but back together by her own hands. And this critical world judges her cracks while missing the beauty of how she made herself whole again.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Women's Day in advance. I, Shinjal, with my mates Kritika and Jia, are here to present beautiful lines on the topic Women Empowerment on the eve of Women's Day. I know it's on 8th March, but today is our chance and obviously we will not miss it. So let's get started. She is a woman, she is the fire. She is all conquering, she is all powerful. She is supreme, and she was not born to be a mere beauty queen. I am a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Nonetheless, that's me.
Indian cultures give women the utmost respect. Many of our gods are female, and they have been worshipped as deity by many faithful people.
Yeah, that's true. The goddess of wealth is Lakshmi, the goddess of power and strength is Durga, and the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power.
Women play an important role in society, and the whole family is dependent on a woman for its daily activities. They play the role of mother, wife, homemaker, cook, teacher, friend, nurse, all at the same time while catering to everybody's needs.
The women who are in job have to also fulfill the job responsibilities while managing home and family. Then how can you guys see that a woman's life is very easier? The life of a woman is very hard, but she gets little or no appreciation.
There are many women of India who created a good history for women's survival. With their help only, today we are able to walk with our heads up. So, first of all, salute to those ladies.
So, this is for each and every one of us that never doubt that you are valuable and powerful, and you should deserve the every chance and opportunity in the world to pursue and achieve your dreams. Also, little girls with dreams become the women with vision. Girls compete each other, but women empower each other.
So now I would like to call Raghav to speak the thought for the day.
Morning everyone. Today I am Raghav of class 9th, standing in front of you to speak the thought of the day. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Thank you and have a nice day.
So now I would like to call Rakshit to speak the science fact for the day.
Morning friends, the science fact for the day is the first game played on the moon was golf. Thank you and a nice day ahead.
So without any further ado, I would like to call upon Tanya and Anshul to bring an ease to our souls with their perfect dance moves.
युगों युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है, जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में, वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती, जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती, जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शाहों से ऊंचा, जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती, वही शक्ति है नारी। नारी
छोटे से नन्हे हाथों में अपनी जैसी ही प्यारी गुड़िया संभाले, छोटे से कच्चे धागे से सारी उम्र का तू रिश्ता बना ले। तुझसे ही है रोशनी, तू ही जीवन तू खुशी, अब संभाले। धूप में साया बने, तुझसे शुरू दुनिया सारी। तू ही है माँ, तू प्रियतमा, तू ही है बेटी हमारी, कई रूप है तेरे नारी।
It's the high time to take you all on a spiritual journey with Adi Yogi, Lord Shiva, chanting the famous Karpura Koram.
Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Sansara Saram Bhujagendraharam Sadam Santam Hridayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami।
पद्मासन में ध्यान लगाए मौन है, वीराने में तपता योगी कौन है। नाद न कोई तारा, डमरू कभी कबारा, अधमूंदी आंखों से सब देख रहा संसारा।
नाद न कोई तारा, डमरू कभी कभारा, अधमूंदी आंखों से सब देख रहा संसारा।
जो नाथों के नाथ कहते, याचक भूति बेल चढ़ाते, जातक झूम झूम के गाते ओंकारा।
जो नाथों के नाथ कहते, याचक भूति बेल चढ़ाते, जातक झूम झूम के गाते ओंकारा।
अर्ध चंद्रमा के पैसाजे, वक्षद फल कपाल विराजे, जटा चक्र से बहती निर्मल शिव धारा।
हर हर शिव शंभू जय जय केदारा, 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 हर हर शिव शंभू जय जय केदारा। जितने भी यात्री केदारनाथ तीर्थ स्थान जा रहे हैं, उन सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं। आपकी यात्रा सफल हो और सुरक्षित रहे, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। हर हर शिव शंभू जय जय केदारा, हर हर शिव शंभू जय जय केदारा, हर हर शिव शंभू जय जय केदारा।
Before we wind up, let us enjoy a slideshow on all those women who created history.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। शक रे
That's all for today's morning assembly. Hope you might like it.